Hi, welcome to Uncomfortable with me, Katie, and
Cousin Carl.
so I finally tried the fluffy pancakes again, and let me just see if I could show you without spilling the maple syrup. I hope you can see, but they're so much better looking. Yeah, I'm super proud of this one. You know, third time's a charm. Should have melted it. Yeah. Okay, so first mistake.
I'm pretty sure any mistake is still going to be delicious with this. All right. I'm breaking my keto law just for you. And, well, not for you because I want this.
Respect your body. Respect your hunger.
Here we go.
Butter's a little hard.
All right. Here we go.
That doesn't sound like a good sign.
No. It is literally if a funnel cake and a pancake had a baby.
I put a lot of confectionery sugar.
No. Like, even the texture is so good. The expert's going to try it now.
I have a smaller bite. Not half the pancake.
I'm also double your size. Am I wrong?
They're better.
Literally if a funnel cake and a pancake had a baby.
I had a funnel cake since I was like 9.
Let me make that decision for you. Because you had no childhood, obviously.
I'll get these.
Oh.
I will get these. Like,
it's amazing. She's a little hard on herself, but they're good.
I am, but when I know I did good, I'm going to be proud of it. But, like, I know I've had these pancakes before. And yeah, I know what they're supposed to taste like.
Yeah, well, maybe you're putting yourself up against Michael Jordan, okay? Like, Michael Jordan pancakes in Japan. And they're amazing. Mm-hmm. And now you got Little League and stuff.
I would like to get to at least minor league. I feel like this is still Pee Wee. No.
It's European basketball.
The first one was like learning how to walk. Mm-hmm. So that one was bad. Well, they're good, but I'm not like...
I'll eat them all.
Third time's a charm. They're better than the first. Anything's better than the first one. I literally had to cut the top off because it was so burnt. But I was so determined. I was like, no, I made these with my freaking hands. I'm still going to eat this. And...
You were a martyr.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I'm sacrificing myself.
Yeah. All right. Any last words?
Delicious. I would. It's my opinion, not yours.
That's
not yours.
very true.
Don't crush me. I'm empowering.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Fine. I'll give them like a 7.
Okay. I mean, I haven't had the original, but I feel like
the original is just out of this freaking world.
All right. Well, when we become rich, we'll take a trip. No,
they have some in San Francisco. Fun fact. I'm not sure about if there are other U.S. locations, but there's a Graham Cafe in San Francisco. So
it looks like Cousin Carl needs to come back out, road trip to San Fran, and we're going to have it there.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye. Best pancake I ever had. Best pancake.